101. How can you disbelieve when Allah's revelations are recited to you and His messenger is in your midst? Whoever holds firmly to Allah is surely guided to the straight path. 102. O believers, be mindful of Allah in the way He deserves and do not die except in a state of full submission to Him. 103. And hold firmly to the rope of Allah and do not be divided. Remember Allah's favor upon you when you were enemies. Then He united your hearts, so you by His grace became brothers, and you were at the brink of a fiery pit, and He saved you from it. This is how Allah makes His revelations clear to you, so that you may be rightly guided. 104. Let there be a group among you who call others to goodness, encourage what is good and forbid what is evil. It is they who will be successful. 105. And do not be like those who split into sects and differed after clear proofs had come to them. It is they who will suffer a tremendous punishment. 106. On the day, some of the faces will be bright while others gloomy. To gloomy faced, it will be said, did you disbelieve after having believed? So taste the punishment for your disbelief. 107. As for the bright faith, they will be in Allah's mercy, where they will remain forever. 108. These are Allah's revelations we recite to you, O Prophet, in truth, and Allah desires no injustice to His creation. 109. To Allah alone belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, and to Allah all matters will be returned for judgment. 110. You are the best community ever raised for humanity. Your encourage is good, forbid evil, and believe in Allah. Had the people of the book believed, it would have been better for them. Some of them are faithful, but most are rebellious. 111. They can never inflict harm on you except a little annoyance. If they meet you in battle, they will flee and they will have no helpers. They will be stricken in disgrace wherever they go, unless they are protected by a covenant with Allah or a treaty with the people. They have invited the displeasure of Allah and have branded with misery for rejecting Allah's revelations and murdering His prophets unjustly. This is a fair reward for their disobedience and violations. 113. Yet they are not all alike. There are some among people of the book who are upright, who recite Allah's revelations throughout the night, prostrating in prayer. 114. They believe in Allah and the last day, encourage good and forbid evil, and race with one another in doing good. They are truly among the righteous. 115. They will never be denied the reward for any good they have done, and Allah has perfect knowledge of those mindful of Him. 116. Indeed, neither the wealth nor children of the disbelievers will be of any benefit to them against Allah. It is they who will be residents of fire. They will be there forever. 117. The good they do in this worldly life is like the harvest of an evil people struck by a bitter wind, destroying it completely. Allah never wronged them, but they wronged themselves. 118. O believers, do not associate closely with others who would not miss a chance to harm you. Their only desire is to see you suffer. Their prejudice has become evident from what they say and what their hearts hide. Far worse, we have made our revelations clear to you, if only you understood. 119. Here you are, you love them, but they do not love you. You believe in all scriptures. When they meet you, they say, we believe. But when alone, they bite their fingertips in rage and say, O Prophet, may you die of your rage. Surely Allah knows best what is hidden in the heart. 120. When you believers are touched with good and grief, but when you are afflicted with evil, they rejoice. Yet, if you are patient and mindful of Allah, their schemes will not harm you in the least. Surely Allah is fully aware of what they do. Remember, O Prophet, when you left your home in early morning to a position of believers in the battlefield, and Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing. 122. Remember when two groups among you believers were about to cover, then Allah reassured them. So Allah let the believers put their trust. 123. Indeed, Allah made you victorious at Badr, but when you were vastly outnumbered. So be mindful of Allah, and perhaps you will be grateful. 124. Remember, O Prophet, when you said to the believers, it is enough that your Lord will send down a reinforcement of 3,000 angels for your aid. 125. More certainly, if you believers are firm and mindful of Allah, the enemy launches a sudden attack on you, and Allah will reinforce you with 5,000 angels designated for battle.